Hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. In this video, I'll show you how to create this type of gorgeous looking text animation in Adobe After Effects. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to create a composition by 920 by 1080. Frame rate will be 30. It is not necessary. You can also make the composition as you want. I set the composition name by text animation and click on the OK. Now click on the text and set the paragraph style center text. Now create a text. Character. Then centerize the text. Now you have to expand the option by click on this arrow. Go to animate and select tracking. Now click on the add. Go to property and select opacity. Now the tracking amount will be minus 100% and opacity will be 0%. Go to range selector on. Go to start, set a keyframe on the starting by 0% and go to around 1 second later and starting will be 100%. If I play this, you can see. Now you have to select those the keyframe, right click on it, go to keyframe assistant and make it easy. You also use F9 to make this. Now go to graph editor and press the handle and drag it like that. You also use motion blur. If you don't see the option, simply click on the toggle switch. Now if I play this, you can see the text animation is complete very well. To make the text more gorgeous looking, go to effect and preset and search glow, GLOW, glow. Click on the effect and drag it, release on the character. Now set the radius will be, I said, 40 and glow intensity will be 1.4. Now if I play, so here's the result. You can make this type of amazing text animation in Adobe After Effects in a short time. Thank you for watching the video.